Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to invite you to subscribe down below so that you will see all the videos that I'll be posting every day. And also, if you're already subscribed, thanks very much and welcome back. Today we're going to tour a model called Hibiscus that will be available in a new community that will be opened by Richmond American at Monarch Meadow and Monarch Valley here in the southwest area of Las Vegas. And this community is very near to the freeway going to Los Angeles, so that's really good. And the community is literally very near to the strip, also about 25 minutes drive. So today I'm here at a model Hibiscus. It's about 1,900 square feet, starting at 489,950. And let's take a tour on this one. And also would like to do a little bit of a game. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you which part of the house is my favorite, and I'd like for you guys to comment down below if you guessed it right, and also please write down in your comments which one is your favorite. Let's take a tour of this Hibiscus house here, and it's 4 bedrooms, so that's a lot of bedrooms. Let's take a look. Before we proceed to the home tour, guys, I would like to give you an idea is available. As you can see, guys, from Monarch Meadow, it will only take you about 15 minutes to get to the Bellagio fountain. And also, it is also near to the international airport. So basically, it is an easy access to the 15 freeway, which is also the freeway going to Los Angeles. This particular development here, there's a lot of restaurants here. I went here and drove by, and there's a lot of things going on here. As you can see, South Point Hotel is also nearby. So it's an easy, convenient commute to the Las Vegas Strip if you're planning to have a trip to the Las Vegas Strip. All right, guys, we are here at Hibiscus Model by Richmond American, 4 bedrooms, approximately 1,900 square feet. And this is going to be available in the Monarch Valley and Monarch Meadow community in the southwest Las Vegas, literally very near the freeway. So let's take a look. That's your 2-car garage there. And as you can see here, Hibiscus, 3 to 4 bedrooms, approximately 1,900 square feet. Let's take a look at this house. I'm so excited. That's your easy there. Ooh, I'm seeing a railing that I really like. Look at this, guys. Sorry about the noise. Look at this. Love that railing here. I guess let's take a look at this. What's happening on this one first? Oh, okay. So immediately upon entrance, you can see a half bathroom here, right? And they have wallpaper there. Let's see what's here. It's a clothes closet. I believe this is the garage, and I don't know if we can enter. I don't think so because they normally close that. But that is the main area. Before we go to the main area, let's go upstairs and see what's happening here. Ooh, those are large wall art. Love the railing here. Oh, look at this. I am seeing a nice loft area, guys. This is very helpful for those who wanted some movie nights, right? Before sleeping. And you have that window there. Look at this. Really nice to have such a loft area. So when you go up, right immediately to the left, you have this huge laundry room. And the reason why is because you actually have this sink. Now, for me, if you have a dog, I would rather have like a mini tub here if the builder would allow me to put it, just because it's very helpful when you're washing your dog, right? You don't have to go to the bathtub in your room, in your bedroom, in your bathroom. Because there's a space for a small tub here, if the builder will allow me to put for my dog's bathtub. So let's go first to the left side here, which I think is a secondary bedroom. Is it a little small, but not really, really very small. It's just enough, right, for as a secondary bedroom with that closet there. All right, so that's your secondary bedroom. Now we're gonna go. Ooh, look at this. Comment down below, guys, if you are playing this kind of game. On the right side is this full bathroom, guys. Really love this counter here. For some reason, I like white counters. They use a very white tile, but I will definitely upgrade this into a much nicer tile. Look, guys. Look at the railing here. Really nice railing. It makes the room even larger. So we're going to take a look at this. This is the linen closet. Very important to have one. Oh, okay. So there's another secondary bedroom here. Right. Pretty good size. Not really big, but not really small. But I'd like to take a look at this view, guys. Whenever you live in Vegas, you see a lot of views, even if you're just driving around. Right? Love mountain views. That's your closet there. And I like that they used recessed lighting here. Makes a lot of impact. All right, we're gonna go here. This is the master or the owner's bedroom, I believe, because look at that. You have a balcony there, really huge balcony. I feel like this ceiling is 9 feet because it's pretty tall. It's so bright in here, guys, but on the video, it looks darker. But when you go here, because of this massive door there, it's literally very, very bright. Let's see if we can go out so I can show quickly the mountains. This is a different type of thing here. And I don't know how to open it. Right? I don't even know if this can be opened. I don't think so, guys. Sorry. Look at that. So I turn it left, turn it right, turn it left. Maybe this is like this. They don't want us to go out, but let me show you guys this balcony here. And also those views there. OMG, look at those. Nice views of the mountains. Okay, so we cannot go out, but at least you have an idea that there is a balcony in your owner's bedroom. Let's take a look at the owner's bathroom. Ooh, look at this. Love this design, guys. Let's enter if you can see it here. But look at this design, right? And then they have this element here, added elements. This is a lot of work, whoever did this, because look at this. It's a combination of different shapes and sizes, right? I actually won't anymore put this door because the shower is here, so I don't think it's gonna go out, but that's their preference. But for me, I don't really have to have that door there. And I like that right immediately before you enter the shower, you already have this so that you don't have to go all the way there. That's one thing that I like for those builders that are building for you to be efficient, is for you to be able to open the shower without even going to the farthest part of the shower. All right, so that's your shower there. Also like this flooring here. Hello guys, and look at this guys. Double sink. Did you know that double sink will prevent divorce? Yes. All right, so this one is your walk-in closet. It's a pretty good sized walk-in closet, right? You get, yeah, so that's your walk-in closet there. And then you have a separate, it's a massive toilet area actually. All right, so this is your owner's bedroom with, of course, the double sink bathroom there. All right, I think we've seen everything here. I guess the fourth bedroom then will be this loft area if you opt this one to be the fourth bedroom, because we've toured 3 bedrooms downstairs, up here upstairs, and that might be the fourth bedroom option. Let's go down and check out the main living area. I am seeing an open area a while ago. Ooh, look at this open area here, guys. Very open. And look at those windows there. They are even doors. This is what I like. You know, like you don't even have a window, you all have doors. And it's like living outside already when you have that kind of huge doors. So let's take a look at this, guys. Really nice counters. And I love this huge sink here, right? And this is their cabinetry. It's a little bit of a styling on their cabinetry. And this should be vented for sure, right? Because we want to make sure that the smell will go out. Right, so this is the view from the corner of the kitchen. And you have still space for your dining area here. Look at that. They've staged this really well. And that's your kitchen there. Dining, living. We're gonna go on this corner too. I'm trying to go to each corner, guys, so you have an idea of how it looks like from each corner of this main living room. And that's your TV there. It's a pretty nice living area. Let's see if we can go outside, right? But as you can see, this is your backyard, and it's not really a big backyard. Let's see. Oops. I think they really closed it because I cannot open it. Or maybe I'm wrong. Let's see. I don't know how to open this, guys. I apologize. Maybe they really closed this so that no one can ever enter outside. But anyhow, this is the view of your backyard. I guess you can put like a really large jacuzzi there if the association allows, right? But I like that you already have that patio roof there so that it gives you some shade. And look at this, guys. I'm going to show you like this dining area here. So you have your separate dining here if you wanted to have dinner during the night outside, right? So it's really large, not a large backyard, but again, you can put like a big jacuzzi if you want, if the association allows. So this is your kitchen again, one more time so we can appreciate your kitchen. Oh, I forgot to open this, guys. This might be the pantry. Yes. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe down below so that you won't miss any of the videos that I post daily. And as I mentioned a while ago, I'm going to tell you which one is my favorite. My favorite is the kitchen. And the reason why is because I like a lighter color kitchen. It makes the room even brighter. But again, this is the view of the main living area. And also, I'd like to invite you guys to hit that bell notifications on so that you won't miss any of the videos that I'll be posting. And I do it daily. And this one is the Hibiscus Model. They're gonna have a release of lots for this new community. So please watch out for that. And if you have any questions, just write down on the comment below and I'll try to answer everyone, guys. I love reading comments. Until next time, appreciate you guys. Have a great day.